Hello students, today we will start our chapter number 7 named Simple Linear Equation. In this chapter we will study about the linear equation. बच्चे, before doing linear equation I want to tell you what is equation. What is equation? The statement of equality having one or more variables is known as equation. Equation is what बच्चे? The statement of equality having one or more variables is known as our equation. Now there is a question in your mind, ma'am, what is statement of equality? बच्चे, those statement which include the sign of equality. The statement which includes the sign of equality is known as statement of equality. बच्चे, after doing this we will study linear equation in one variable. बच्चे, what is linear equation in one variable? You can say the equation which have one variable having highest power as 1. You can say an equation having one variable, with 1 as highest power is known as the linear equation in one variable. बच्चे, see, x plus 2 is equals to 5. This is linear equation in one variable. Here x is your variable and the highest power of x is 1. If you will write x plus y is equals to 5, this is again a linear equation, but this equation is in two variable because here x is one variable and y is another variable. So you can say this is the example of linear equation in two variable and this is the example of linear equation in one variable. बच्चे, now after doing all this we will study about the solution of equation. Solution of equation is what? Solution of equation, बच्चे, like this is the equation 3x plus 2 is equals to 5. This is the equation. If you want to find out the solution of this equation, what is that? The value of this x, the value of this variable x is the solution of this equation. The value of this x which satisfy the equation is the value of you can say solution of this equation. See बच्चे, if you will write x is equals to 0, if you will take x is equals to 0, put it in this equation x 3 into 0 plus 2 is equals to 5. You will see here 0 plus 2 is equals to 5. That is 2 is not equals to 5. बच्चे, this statement here you can see it is equals to 5. But what you get? 2 is equals to 5. That is not possible. 2 is not equals to 5. It means that x is equals to 0 is not the solution of this equation. X is equals to 0 is not the solution of this equation because it is not satisfying this equation. Now take the value of x is equals to 1. Take the value of x is equals to 1. See बच्चे, here 3 into 1 plus 2 is equals to 5. What you get? 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. That is 5 is equals to 5, or you can say left hand side is equals to right hand side. That means that x is equals to 1 is satisfying this equation. So x is equals to 1 is the solution of this equation. On the basis of this we will solve our exercise question. Okay बच्चे, now we will do exercise question 7.1. In your exercise, question first is what? Which of the following are equation? There are 4 parts of this question. Equations are given and you have to check. Statements are given, you have to check that these are equation or not. See बच्चे, 5x plus 5 is equals to 35. B part is 3a minus 7 plus 24. C is 8x minus half is equals to 43 by 2. And D part is 5x by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equals to 18 by 5. Now you have to check which statement is equation? What is the definition of equation? First remind that. But you see, the statement of equality including one or more variable. The statement of equality including one or more variable. See बच्चे, in this you have equal symbol and you have the symbol of equality and x as a variable. It means that it is your equation. This is your equation. Now see बच्चे, here is there any symbol of equality? No. It means that this statement don't have the equality symbol, so you can say this is not your equation. Now here you have the symbol of equality plus variables are also there, so this is your statement. So this is your equation. Same here बच्चे, equality symbol you have, variable you have, so this is your equation. Understand बच्चे, here only B part is not your equation because this statement don't have the symbol of equality. Okay beta. Now your second question is what? Form equation for each of the following statement. You have to form the equation from the statement. See बच्चे, in first statement what is given? A number added to half of itself. There is a number, you have to add it to half of itself. It gives you 9. A number added to half of itself is 9. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Then according to statement बेटा आपके पास क्या given है? A number added to half of itself. A number added to half of itself gives you 9. This is your required equation. This is your required equation. Now बच्चे see B part of question number second. The sum of thrice a number. The sum of thrice a number. Thrice a number and 5 is 17. See बच्चे, let the number be x. According to statement, the sum of the thrice of a number is x. Thrice of x is 3x plus 5. The sum of thrice of a number and 5 is 17. It is this. This is your required equation. Now see the third part. Half of a number is 15. Half of a number is 15. Let the number be x. And half of this number is 15. According to statement, half of a number, that is half of x, is equals to 15. This is your required equation. Understand बच्चे? It is very easy. You can solve it yourself also. See बच्चे, D part of this question, half of 3 by 2 times of a number. Half of 3 by 2 times of a number and 5 is 27. Let the number be x. According to question, what it is given? Half of 3 by 2 times of a number. Half of 3 by 2 of a number. Number is what? It is x. And 5 is equals to 27. बच्चे solve it. 1 into 3 is 3. 2 into 2, 4. X plus 5 is equals to 27. So 3 by 4x plus 5 is equals to 27 is your required equation. बच्चे, now we will solve other question in next video. Hope all this concept of equation and linear equation is clear to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.